encounter. Why does she need to pay for this for the next 20, 30 years of her life?
That's right.
And can she? That's the thing that I find offensive about it. I mean, personally, I would prefer people who didn't need to have an abortion. Understand that there are times when you do need to have an abortion.
Yeah.
There's some religious laws that forbid it, and others that don't. But, I think things in the past, and I don't know, I guess people were raped then too. 2,000 years ago or 5,000 years ago, who knows? It's wrong to burden a woman. Like the person who raped her. If they get off scot-free, that's okay.
No, it's not, and that's why it's tough right now to really watch and see the limits being placed on people's ability to make their own decision.
Yeah. Supreme Court is trying to do, and why it should matter. Evidently, if you fight the system long enough against enough people and you make enough noise, I guess even the Supreme Court can be cajoled to go from one direction to another. And I think we politicize too much, and politics has really undermined the entire nation. I think it's not a healthy outcome.
No, I totally agree. Like, we've really lost the ability to talk to each other, and that's essentially what has been the problem. People do not know how to interact and discuss issues. And I will say that a couple nights ago, I had for the first time a real conversation with some of my biggest detractors. I was pretty surprised to see that um, restraint and the ability to actually try to have a dialogue was actually accomplished with this conversation I had with Yonkers Voice and a few other guest hosts, being the Teeth Coleman and Sam Rivers. And their guests, including former Mayor Davis and Andre Wallace, who was one of the council members who really obstructed everything politics. But that was his political decision to make when he was on the council.
That's a big question. Like, can one make a political decision regarding the responsibilities of something?
I think so. I think that we can make decisions that are best for the public. But what we really need is transparency in those decisions, and we need, to see more information when those decisions are being made. And
But you just make a decision for the public because you made a decision for herself.
I'm not disputing that, but I was going to shift to a more recent example of what's going on in Mount Vernon. For those that don't know about the Department of Justice investigation into. Right, that's what I'm saying. Like, so I think we lost each other for a moment there. So what I'm talking about is when I had the conversation the other day. I'm not going to get into the specifics of the entire conversation, but what I want to point out was the original point we began on Hezi was people don't know how to talk to each other. People don't know how to interact and dig into an issue and not take it so personal that they walk away from it so upset and frustrated, and want to try and cause harm to the person that disagreed with them. and I was told by Bishop Edwards that the knife needs a stone to sharpen itself. So opposites definitely need each other in a sense to get to the sharpest point and to make the best outcome. Sometimes you don't get the best outcome. But the point I made was a conversation was held constructively as best as it could be, and that's a great start. And what I was pointing to from an information standpoint is, there was the Department of Justice is investigating Mount Vernon's police department, and they're looking for the same information that I've been asking for. Many news outlets, including yours, you've been asking for. And that's what I'm pointing to is like when you have the information, you can better understand why a decision was made, and you can challenge that decision to be better. And that's what I see going on right now.
Yeah, but what I don't understand is why do you bring up Wallace? Did you have a conversation with him yesterday or whatever?
Yeah, he was on the show. He was on the show.
Good for him. So what did he say? And what? Because I don't understand what he said because he did not rise to the level of being a politician. He was interested in that is it. He was interested in naming his own name.
Right.
And he got absolutely nowhere because people realized he was a quack.
Right. And that's the thing. Like his
someone from Braun. Okay, well, when you just sharpen it, don't go through your abuse of us. Well, you're sharpening you too.
Right. And look, your sentiment, I share that perspective. Like I don't see anything that Wallace did that really benefited Mount Vernon other than his political agenda and his his own self-interest. Right.
He did the right thing because he needed to promote it and establish his name for the betterment of the city. Well, he failed. From the beginning to the end, he failed.
Yeah. And you're right. And the people.
The difference between you and him, for example, you were being undermined
by him.
People like him.
Yeah.
And this. We think that there's a relationship here, not in my book.
No.
That's a goddamn waste of time and breath. And I wish we could get him because he ruined so much that could have happened from Mount Vernon because of his couches and his self-involvement in engagement.
Yeah, that's
show me where his value is that sort of individual. I mean, I'm sorry if you'll demonize him. I give up MDK.
Yeah, I can say that. No, I. Tell me.
He's now because of the change. When at the end of the day, Mount Vernon is nowhere.
Yep, we're stuck with broken sewers. We're stuck with the police department that we're stuck with the police department that was providing safety. And now the streets of Mount Vernon are very dangerous because of the changes that were made after I left office, starting with him. And the outcome has been terrible for the people of the city, especially our businesses. So I cannot agree more with your description because Mount Vernon has really taken tremendous steps backwards as a result.
If you want to be in politics, then you need to be invested in people that you want. The only thing you want to serve with himself.
Yeah, definitely feels like that.
Together with other people to move the attention towards something with the remnants of something. And he worked overtime for his own personal benefit and his financial benefit. Nobody had the brain of the world to use Brad to what it was. This is the problem. We've got people who don't want to speak up, speak truth to power, and point it out once and for all. Those apologists out there making it seem like making it better for them. So who the hell are they? What about all the other people that just malign and undermine and lost their capacity to embellish themselves for the betterment of society as well? What about that? Oh, they don't matter? Well, I think they do. And I'm sick and tired of all these nitwits who think just because they got money or they got some people who want to support them and to let it off that they're entitled. They're not entitled to anything because they've never proven anything in their life. And there's a lot of corruption in Mount Vernon, and everybody in Mount Vernon knows it. But they're a little afraid to talk about it.
Right. And that's where the politricks come in. Politricks being this game where people with money and people with power use their influence to silence the truth, conceal the real facts, and cover up their own wrongdoing by trying to distract attention from them onto other things that they have fabricated. They manipulate the situation, and what I like to call they amplify propaganda. They weaponize misinformation, so they can cover their own tracks. Meanwhile, help themselves, help their networks, their friends, and hurt people and stop people like me from doing right by the people, especially of Mount Vernon. So that definitely has gone on for far too long in Mount Vernon, and that's why I see this Department of Justice investigation as not just a vindication for me, but it's an exoneration of sorts because I've been correcting corruption, not talking about it, not saying, "Oh, we need to confront it." No, I was correcting it, and there was just a complete breakdown of procedural due process and how all the points and evidence that was provided over the years was not just handled, but it was ignored, and those breakdowns were exploited to distract everybody from the real problems that were being corrected while I was in office. So
the people who have the discourse between one another, particularly the government, they're there to cover up the abuses. They're there to silence the demand that public requires in order to know what's really going on. And the fellowship is more to protect themselves. I hear one politician after the other espouse all their hopes and for society. But do they ever do anything to lift a finger in order to change it for the better? No. They talk a good game because people are fools because there's nobody challenging these people who believe that by espousing hope that's going to bring a solution, which it never does.
Right.
Because they're not interested in lifting their own finger or creating their hope by showing us how to get there. The end of the game. We can hope. I can hope from here to doomsday. I'm never going to be able to give birth to a child. So stop talking about these sort of things. I don't think they can. So the point is, it sounds ridiculous, but our politicians are not doing the job that they can do. What is their purpose? Is it to have a job? Is it so they can earn $100,000 or $50,000 to do what? Still once a week or 2-hour session?
That's what it certainly feels like. It certainly feels like it's a big letdown. I mean, to see how much good can happen, and then to see how they dedicate their time to issues that don't produce real results. It definitely does have a tremendous disappointing effect. And even right now, it's like they're between the primary in June till today. Today's December 10th.
Yeah.
Almost six. It's been 6 months. There's been no effort by the council that is sitting right now to prepare and finalize a budget with the current administration. Like no effort whatsoever. But yet these people live here, right? They claim to love the city, and they're choosing not to finish a job that they're supposed to do, which is to enact the budget before the end of November. November's come and gone. And I haven't seen even a proposed budget from the current administration. So it's kind of like, what are we waiting for? Are we being set up to be told in January or February, oh, the state's going to come in and take over Mount Vernon because, Deborah Reynolds, the former controller, broke too much. Yep.
I'm not saying the administration in any way, but I don't see where they could have done it different. Can you give them a budget which they're going to get approved? The answer is no. Because these are the same people that supported this point. And they haven't done anything.
Yeah, they're part of the problem.
Now you got a new group that's coming in, and they might vote for that city. But these people have been calculating all these 4 years. But the fact is, the mayor's office still has to reduce the budget. The mayor approached them and said, here's my budget, would you approve it? What are they going to do? They're going to change their threshold? I don't think so. They're out the door, they don't give a whatever. They don't care. They did what started 4 years ago. We were in office too. But they didn't, because they don't care. It's a job.
Yeah.
You can't change it. You can't come across a hydro drive by painting white or black or green. Who cares? It doesn't matter. Nothing changed. You think people are going to be the right people? Don't come out forward. We'll see.
I'm with you on that.
You know what? Not like this. Listen to me.
Yep.
I don't want to hear people thousands and thousands that sounds wonderful. You know what? At the end of the day, you show me proof that what you said now validates my action. And I don't want to hear people telling me about what they think for.
I mean, and that's.
But I feel sorry for young people who have no capacity to move up the food chain and maybe make change in reality. These old here who never had sensibility or sensitivity to the people that they want to represent, then what have they done? They robbed us of the potential to bring that Mount Vernon where it needs to be.
That's right. And that's
one of the highest places in the nation.
And that's
brought it down to crap.
And that's where I laugh because you and I have been talking about this for quite some time and warning people of these situations and how there were big promises made. They promised safety, but they delivered danger. They promised prosperity, but they delivered poverty. And you don't have to look that far for examples. I mean, on the rent relief issues, right? There's so much money available from Biden going down to the municipalities, but they can't figure out how to distribute it properly. Then you got again a lot of resources available for from be it COVID monies or infrastructure monies, you name it. and they can't figure out how to pay for replacement tires for garbage trucks. So it's just no, that's right now. It's happening right now. That's the point.
And God bless me, they rock hell with the crap that they forced the city to undergo last 4 years.
So the thing is, like, what's the vision? What's the vision going forward? That's the question. What's the vision going forward? What is the plan? What are the steps that we're going to take to avoid a state takeover? What are we going to do to make sure that
we don't know until these people get in office.
well, okay.
What they have to say. Good morning, caller. No, they're already off the line, so maybe they just want to listen in.
Okay.
Look, there's no way to.
But the vision is set by the mayor's office.
No. What these new people who become the new members of the city council will do, or what their demeanor is, we've heard their sweet talk. They love us to place team. I hope they will get better, and I hope God they are. Because, I want to be able to see Mount Vernon resuscitated and rejuvenated and rebuilt, because they deserve that. The people deserve that. We haven't had that for a long time.
Right.
And it's getting to the point where, we may never be able to revive ourselves if we keep going in the same way we have so far.
So one of the things I'll say is, if you recall, Hezi, I passed charter revision in Mount Vernon. And while the charter was changed, nothing changed from a standpoint inside City Hall. The administration, the council, the controller all ignored the changes on the charter. And there's a double requirement in law that says that there is to be a new charter revision commission that is to be funded to make additional long-term changes to the entire charter. And it's like that hasn't even happened either. So you're right in the sense of pointing out that these people that are leaving have done absolutely nothing. But in the new people coming in, they have to do something. But my fear is that they're being set up themselves to be told that the state's going to take over Mount Vernon because Mount Vernon can't do it itself. Which I feel is wrong because there's some very talented people that live here. We have a very rich history in terms of our contributions to sports, entertainment, business, government, and it just seems to me like Mount Vernon is being puppeted of sorts by some larger interests that really don't want the truth to come out about how the city has been taken advantage of by a select group of people that are benefiting from the chaos. So I just hope that there are mechanisms available to the people and to those new people on the city council to stop any hidden attack on Mount Vernon's independence and its liberty in 2022. I may have lost Hezi, but I'm going to keep going through the motions as he and I get reconnected. But I can tell you that Hezi's been on fire this morning, pointing out how the politics of Mount Vernon have really paralyzed progress in the city, and we now have a new group of people coming in that will hopefully be able to put in new measures, new policies to help bring us and propel us forward to a much better footing. But I will say that with all that's going on, the Supreme Court, they're ruling to allow the challenge to the abortion law to continue is a signal of how Donald Trump's impact on the country was really about changing the long-term trajectory of the country through the courts. And I'm really I'm disappointed that Democrats did not make the decision in early 2021 or back in 2020 when they first took over after the January 6th, attack on the Capitol. I'm disappointed that Democrats didn't use their newfound power to expand the court and have a more balanced approach to the legal issues that are approaching the courts. And as we see with COVID alone, all the different courts are overwhelmed as they are. So expanding the judicial system is a healthy measure, in my opinion, to deal with the volume of issues that are there. So I think that the Democrats missed a huge opportunity to expand the judiciary overall, from local level all the way up to the Supreme Court, to make sure that they handle a whole new swath of issues that have been ignored and basically, trapped in purgatory, waiting to be dealt with. But seeing that the Democrats did not act on that, we are literally stuck with an extremely conservative court at the top, and ranks of conservative judges at the federal level, the appellate level in specific, that will more than likely lean a direction that does not support democratic principles and meaning the Democratic Party principles. And it's going to be a rough road ahead winning cases for Democrats because of such principle bias leaning right. So I just hope and pray that we arrive at a point where Democrats revisit their ability to have the ability to expand the judiciary. I hope they do that before next year's election, so we can have an opportunity to have a court that's really going to respond to all the issues that are important to all of us, but also have a more balanced approach to it. Because just because you add more people to the court doesn't mean you're going to get the outcome that you want. It just means that there'll be more room for debate, and there'll be more room for a more just outcome, as opposed to just a completely predictable decision because of the conservative politics at work here. So with that, I just want to thank everybody for watching and being a part of the conversation. I look forward to catching up with you guys on live, either later today or on another time, because I'm going live more often, giving all the issues that are going on in the city. So stay tuned for more, and I'll be talking with you guys soon. Y'all take care now. And thanks, Hezi, for having it on. This was an abbreviated version of No Hesitation.